It is now. Okay, start over from the top.
Like, just get the first one?
Yeah,
Sorry,
no.
you've been outbid.
No.
291 million transistors. 60 billion instructions per second. Unlimited connection to the world. At the touch of a button.
System start.
Okay. What's this one?
0, 1, 0, 1, 5, sell. Auction ends 4, 1, 5, 0. 0 to
That's
eBay.
one!
1. Find it on eBay.
This is how we learn my numbers?
Auction ends in 5, 0, 4, 3.
Oh.
Welcome to eBay. 0, 2,
What?
2, 2,
What?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Auction ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay, next.
Sorry, you've been outbid.
You've got mail. Download file. Goodbye.
Sorry,
Goodbye.
you've been outbid. Sorry,
You've
been
got
outbid.
mail.
Sorry,
Download
you've been
file.
outbid.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Please don't stop the music, music, music. iTunes.
I like
Please don't stop the music, music, music. iTunes.
Move it!
David, are you doing your homework like you're supposed to?
Yeah.
Warning.
Alert. Virus detected.
System failure.
I gotta like move all these onto my computer, man.
Warning. Warning. Warning.
Alert. Virus detected. Alert.
Warning.
Thank you for calling Gold Technical Support. This is Scott. How may I help you? My computer just crashed. Well, let me start by asking you a few quick questions. Can you
So
first
it's
check
bouncing on
under
Yeah,
the table to check if your
Where is
computer's
it?
plugged in?
Wait, where's that dude?
See how there's two options.
Oh.
It's a double take. Okay, that's all for now. I guess I need to put it in the proper folder. So let's turn this puppy off. And now let's check the card.
If I can get it.
You press this button. Thank you.
That was awesome!
Highlight of my day.
That's on tape.
Yeah.
All this is on tape too.
We'll be right back.